Alright, this is the 2022 St. Johns River Shrimp Run. And as you can see, it's gone crazy. People are getting their shrimp. Free food, free food. Everybody got their nets. Some of them brought bait to throw out there. Everybody has their... I noticed everybody was having a good time at any rate. This guy even come in here on his pontoon boat, see if he could get some of the action. Seems he could have found some better action than what he's finding here. But this does look like some pretty serious action. As you can see, those nets are flying like kung fu fighters. Yeah, everybody's after that free food. Can't say I blame them. Look at all this shrimp. Kind of makes me want to get a few for myself. Cook them up, broil them up with some butter, a little garlic. Well, they'll be here for the next 2 months at least, maybe 3 if we're lucky. They'll keep getting bigger and bigger every day. They'll get bigger. Pretty soon we'll have jumbo shrimp. Jumbo shrimp in the river. I like to see people out there getting their free food. It's not super free, as they're working hard to get it. A lot of those nets are 8-10 foot or better. Weigh, 10 to 15-20 pounds, some of them. It's a lot of tossing. This is the St. Johns River, the city pier at Green Cove Springs. It is 7/16/2022. It's July 16th in the year of 2022. Free food for everyone. What are you gonna do? Grab your net, get down there. Get there early and get a good space. Seems that the best spaces are near that little shelter house there in the middle. And if you can get the little shelter house, that's a real good spot. Especially if you got some bait. Look at all that. Wonder how often they have to empty that. I think that bucket's just about full. So that would be like, what, one limit, one person's limit. So they got 2 buckets there. They intend on filling both of those up, I'm sure. Here he goes. Woo! That's a big, heavy net. He looks tired. But this is our annual shrimp run. Like I said, it'll be here for at least, let's see, what is this? July, be August, September, probably into October, but definitely the next 2 months for sure. We'll have shrimp. Just depends on the weather. And if they get some heavy weather and lots of rain, and they say it can flush them out so where they're not running as good, or just kill the run entirely. That's a good idea to bring a little swimming pool to empty them all in so you can sort all the crap out. That's good that they're, clean like that, not making a mess on the dock. Look at all this shrimp. Good golly, Miss Molly. Everywhere you look, there are people tossing nets. There's still a lot of spots, as you can see. It is starting to get a little crowded every day. A few more people start to show up. Can't blame them, though. They're after that free food. They're still on the small to medium size. And people are getting a few of them. Some of them are getting more than others. I think it depends on where you are and if you're throwing bait. And if you know a good bait to throw. People were telling me they use a commercial shrimp meal that's ground up just for this occasion. And they add stuff to it like flour and other stuff, cat food, dog food. I noticed that when I had shrimp and I kept them alive in my tank, they were cannibalistic. They liked to eat the dead shrimp. Of course, there wasn't nothing else in there for them, you know. They were only in there for a day or two. But every time a shrimp died, they ate it. No ifs, ands, or buts. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed it.